What's up everybody? We just finished up this basement here. We got about 800 square feet. Behind me is the theater, but I'll get to that soon. In this area, we opened up both sides of the staircase. We did a nice handrail. We actually stained the handrail and posts to match the floor. And then we did the vinyl tread caps, which are the same as the flooring too. We opened up the landing as well, so when you're coming down the stairs, you get a nice view of the basement. But coming behind me, we actually have this memorabilia over here on this wall. It ties into everything. Big Yankee fan. Even if you want to just do any memorabilia throughout your basement or a feature, you could do something like this on the walls, but it's throughout the basement. I have the half wall here to the theater. We kept this theater blue to tie into the Yankee theme as well. We have extra bar stool seating behind here. We wrapped it around to this side as well. We have 2 columns which we tied it into, and then this just gives you extra seating on this side. And then coming into the theater, we did carpet throughout here. We have some paneling on the walls as well. We might add some sconces in the future. We got some platform seating and then a row in front of that as well. We got a nice size 100-inch screen TV here. And then actually on this front platform here, this stage right here has a hidden access point for a pump. That is actually the sump pump. We were trying to come up with ideas and we thought this would be the best, and it's really not even visible to the people to see. It's also a cool feature to have in front of the theater. Coming back out into this area, we got our bar here. We got a nice size cabinetry area for this. We got a sink in the middle. We were planning to do an island, but we actually couldn't do it because of the space we have here. So we decided to extend this half wall, like I mentioned before, and that'll act as your front bar. So you could get a drink, go to the front bar over here. But we also have this paneled wall. It's got a hidden door into the furnace room. It's a seamless look, takes away the door, and it's in a nice main area where you could see it. So having a door there won't look that great. But in this area, we got a fridge, sink, we got upper cabinets. We kept the memorabilia as well inside of these open shelving here. We got a couple appliances on here, so came out sweet in this area. And we also have some LEDs behind there as well. And then coming over to here, same thing like I mentioned before, we kept the memorabilia on this side as well. We got a couple access points for some shutoffs, but we decided not to do any rooms in this basement just to keep it an open concept. So we have a desk here, homeowner can work, watch some TV with the TV over there. We have a gym, just a couple machines to use, but it's still open, so there's no issues with anything like that. We didn't want to close anything off, but we decided to do a paneled wall behind here. It's got a double hidden door here. Seamless look. This is just extra storage that the homeowner needed, so we decided to take away the door. But instead of just keeping a standard door, we decided to panelize this whole wall. It takes away all the doors that are on here. And then we have this floating column here. We decided to wrap it with sheetrock, put some base molding on there. And then over here is a cool feature to hang out. You can sit by the fireplace that we have here, but we did some floating shelves. The homeowner's actually a pilot, so we decided to put these planes on these shelves as well. As I mentioned before, this paneling continues to over here, and we have another hidden door here that goes into the water main. Thank you for taking a tour.